Hello everybody, welcome to Advanced Computer Applications lesson number 2. In this lesson, we're going to be looking at trying to compare the price of owning a cat and the price of owning a dog, and then we're going to create a chart that analyzes this to the fullest detail. Once you're finished with the assignment, go ahead and turn it in through Blackboard and show me the Excel spreadsheet. Make sure that all the fields have the formulas, that you're not just pasting numbers. I need to see that you added, that you have like an equal sum on the bottom, a little product, all that good stuff that you learned in the beginning. If you have any questions, if this is something that you don't know how to do, I can always show you another video or that shows you how to do sums and stuff, okay? So without any further ado, let's take a look at the video.
Video in Excel problem solvers, we're going to look at a problem that Susan and Tim are facing. They want to purchase a dog or a cat. And so let's see what Susan says. She says, "I'm Susan. Would you help me choose a pet? I love both cats and dogs equally, but I would like to spend as little money as possible each year. Compare these expenses in a spreadsheet and show me your answer. Create a graph." First of all, notice that she's talking about a year. And so at the bottom down here, when it says hints, it says use a spreadsheet to calculate the total cost of ownership for owning a pet for 1 year. So we'll just assume 1 year is the length of our expenses. Pets and options. Dogs are 50, cats are 90. All expenses include all of the vaccinations, spaying, and neutering. However, there are more expenses than just buying the cat or the dog. First of all, this is a list of what we consider necessary accessories. The cat has 3 items, the dog has 4. So you have to buy this one time. The second box shows the ongoing expenses. A box of cat food, kitty litter, and the small print says buy 2 of each of these for my pet each month. And so we'll double that expense each month. The dog has some expenses too. His dog food is more money, and his dog treats are also an expense. Here's a good pattern for setting up the spreadsheet. You can see that I have 2 boxes, and I colored these boxes so that way you can distinguish that there's a section called initial costs, so these are just one-time costs, and these are monthly costs. Then we have a column for the dog, and a column for the cat. When we're done, we're going to have a total of how much it costs to keep the dog for the first year. So we'll be adding up all the numbers above it. What are the initial costs? Well, the purchase price for the dog. We have to buy a collar, a tag, a bowl, a leash. And then the initial total will be the sum of everything above it. The cat will have some of these expenses. I think the cat will have a 0 here because it doesn't need a leash. For the monthly expenses, remember there's going to be food, litter, and treats. So these will be subtotaled, and then we're going to multiply by 2 because we need to have a monthly total. Each one of those items was bought twice a month. For the 1 year cost, we're going to have to take 12 times the monthly total and then add it to the initial. So think through how each of these costs need to be added in to get an accurate price for a dog and an accurate price for a cat. When we're done, we will highlight these 2 lines, create a chart, and so you'll have a bar chart that shows the cost of a dog compared to the cost of a cat. So there's a good outline for you. Remember, this is just a partial solution that I'm offering you. You have to come up with the formulas and use the numbers to get an accurate result. Welcome to the next.
All right, guys, that was so make sure that when you do your Excel spreadsheet, let me see if I can show you how to do it. See if I can find Blackboard. Let me see if I can get Excel here. Um, it's incredible all the things we gotta do nowadays to um, to get in. Um, and of course, I don't have my phone. But anyway, let me just show you real quick. Forget this. Let me just get out of that. Um, so basically, you just when you're doing the story, you're doing the where did it go? Here. Can't find it now. But you're gonna have to write equal sums, right? So when let's go back a little bit here, where you know how you have the spreadsheet right here. Um, you're gonna have to put the price of the to purchase the dog, the collar, the tag, the bowl, the leash, and then right here you're gonna put equals sum, and you're just gonna grab all of these, and then you should press enter. The same thing with cat. You're gonna put equals sum, and then you're just gonna grab all of these, and it should add up all of them. Now what's happening over here, you're gonna put equals sum, and you're gonna grab all of these, and you're gonna like add them up to the subtotal, and then here you're gonna take that, which is B15, so this one's equals sum, and then you're gonna put parentheses 2 times B15. The same thing over here. Once you do all of those, you're gonna put equals sum parentheses 2 times C15. That way you get this doubled. And then of course, you're gonna grab, let's see, go a little forward here. Look forward. So you see right here it says cat dog. So you're gonna get your 1 year cost. So you're gonna take this field and you're gonna write equals sum, and then it's gonna be B16 times 12, and then this one's gonna be equal sum C16 times 12 because it's 12 months in a year, and you get your total. And then you'll grab these two fields, like these 4 fields like this. You're just gonna grab them with your mouse, and you're gonna go insert chart, and then this should come out, okay? I need you to figure it out. You need to be a good problem solver, and that's as much as I'm gonna say, because I'm almost all giving everything away, okay? Good luck. If you have any more questions, please text me. Bye-bye.